Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video is not about Corel, but how to contact me. I get 4 or 5 questions a day about help with CorelDraw, and it's not a bother. I love doing it. I love helping. If I can't figure out how to do it, I've got a couple of mentors that can help me. And I've been doing Corel for about 16 years. Almost 8 years ago, I started putting them online. As of today, I'm over 10 and a quarter million views. I've got over 35,000 subscribers, and as right now, I've got 8,233 CorelDraw videos. I have other videos. I have a few laser tips and tricks, but here's my email address. Much better than leaving me I love the comments that people leave me in my, if you just want to say thank you, that was great. Or some of the comments that you go too fast. Well, I try to slow down. But if you're going to send me a file, I don't care if it's a JPEG or a PDF or what it is, or a Corel file, send it saved in a Corel file. If you have a Corel question, send me the Corel file. If I open up a JPEG or a PDF, then I have to put it in Corel. But if you send me a Corel file, I'll know what it looks like or what you're looking at, your size you're looking at. Not only tell me if you're engraving it or printing it, because that has a lot to do with colors and what I can do. I'm mainly an engraver, but last several years, I've gotten pretty good with colors. Tell me what's going on. Tell me what your problem is, and we'll see if we can. And also, when you email me, tell me what version of Corel you're working with. 9 times out of 10, it'll come up and tell me. I've never asked. Almost everybody that does videos asks for subscribers or asks to give me a thumbs up. I've never asked for that, and I'm not asking for it now. Subscribers, that's cool. I've got 35,000 plus. I don't really know what the benefit is. Back in the old days, you would get an email every time I put out a video. That would be annoying. So some people, I put out at least 2 a day, every day. But the thumbs up helps me. I get thumbs up on videos that I didn't think was that big a deal. I'll get more thumbs up on a video that I didn't think was all that. But the thumbs up kind of tells me, that was worthwhile watching. And it's just a good feeling when a lot of people give me thumbs up. So I'm still not asking for it, but I'm just telling you what's out there. So if you'll do those things, I'd be more than glad to help you with it. If I can figure it out. If I'm not, I can always figure things out, but sometimes clip art just can't be traced. But I'll give it my best shot. So I'll put a link to my email, coreldrawhelpdoug at gmail.com at the bottom of this video. And anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.